Right, this is a short video to look at how we name amides. Okay, so you've met the amide functional group before, and this is it. You have a carbon double bonded to an oxygen and single bonded to a nitrogen. You have three different types. You have a primary amide where it's just the nitrogen is attached to two hydrogens. You have a secondary amide when the nitrogen is attached to one carbon or more. Sorry, one carbon and then a chain. And you have a tertiary amide if this nitrogen is then attached to two alkyl groups, so two carbon chains. Okay, and we'll get to the naming each of these in a moment. Okay, the way that we name amides is to basically say, well, the amide is the most important part of the chain, and we have a 3 carbon chain here, so this is called pan amide. So that's basically we're just taking the name of the length of the chain, and then we're just putting the suffix amide onto the end. Okay, and that tells us that it's an amide. Now, when we were naming amines, and if you've not watched that video, I would encourage you to do so, you learned that if we had to deal with, for instance, when we had a secondary amine, so in this case a secondary amide, or a tertiary amide here, then what we do is we put the name of the group as N beforehand. So we have in this case N methyl propanamide. Okay, so that's that one there. And in this case we have an N-methyl and an N-ethyl group. We do these alphabetically if you remember. So we have N-ethyl, N-methyl, propanamide. Okay, and that's it. Very straightforward in naming these simple amides.